I have a personal question. What motivated you to create this theory about geocriticism? What motivated you?
Oh, that's a historical question for me.
Yes, yeah, I would like to know.
Now, because 20 years ago, I had a series of studies of places in the Mediterranean. All of them were separate. It was something about Barcelona, something about Beirut, something about Haifa, something about Tunis, and so on. Guess 15 around the sea, and always the same thing. And then I, what am I doing? And I tried to find common, a kind of a system in what I was doing. So first the practice, and then the theory. And I also noticed that in France, but in all Europe, and I guess also in the United States, there was a main theory which was imagology. Imagology is the image one writer gives on a different place, the traveler. But just one way, and as I said before, generally a European outside Europe. So, but what happens if you cross the travelers, and I come back to what I said about multifocalization, what happens if I compare a traveler point of view with something on the place? And it seems to be obvious, but there was no theory about that. So I tried to, that's multifocalization, what was at the very beginning of this geocritical theory. It's nothing special, but nobody did it. But I can understand it because it was a period of structuralism without special attention on the outside world, out of the fiction. So nobody cared about the reference, that was it. And indeed, in the 90s, it was not so easy. Many people criticized what I did because I talked on something which was not literature. But I repeat, I consider that literature is in the world and not outside the world. That would be a very poor situation for us if we were in an ivory tower, closed on the world and so on. So that was the reason.